employee experience at Dexon is actually the brainchild of Kumar Rajagopalan, our VP and strategic head. So Kumar said employees basically live out of three worlds. The first world is where the family is, which is where the heart is.
Yes.
Okay. The second world is where logic and execution lies, and the third world is where hobbies, creativity, our interest, and all of it is.
Yeah.
So he asked a very simple but powerful question that changed everything for us, which is, he said, what if we intentionally design a space for the third world at the workplace? So that was the genesis of DEE at Dexon. Culture isn't built in moments, right?
Correct.
Culture is built over consistent experiences, and that's precisely why we wanted to do it as a journey, so that we could create experiences for people.
Right.
So what we did was the entire organization was split into 8 teams. Through our CSR intervention, we reached out to about 6,000 underprivileged children. Our employees would train these children on various topics that they wanted to be trained on. We did various sessions like preparing them for interviews, resume building, and building confidence in these children. And they came from diverse backgrounds, and across India, we had about 65 contact centers through which they connected online. I was faced with this problem statement of employees not being able to express unfiltered in a formal setting.
Correct.
So the entire brew room was set in an informal ambience, mimicking a coffee shop. We invited employees from different teams, and we had a leader anchor these sessions. So, it didn't have the traditional setup at all. And employees expressed freely, they were able to share, they were able to ask questions, and so on. Dexon Talks is a long format. Impact Stories is problem and solution in a nutshell. And In a Minute series is our attempt to broaden visibility for employees. We wanted to have more employees coming in and participating. Our ability to scale reliably comes from a structured HR approach that we have taken, which is rooted in neuroscience. The concept of the left brain and the right brain. Right? To say, if Dexon were an orchestra, then I am the right brain, and therefore I'm in blue. So all that we wanted to do is create experiences for people to be seen, heard, and valued. And I think that is being met.